Hi there, hi boys and girls. Number 2000, yes, celebration. This will be number 2K. This Sudoku with 4 stars in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 11th. Yes, 2020. This Sudoku with 4 stars will be number 2002K celebration, a milestone. Yes, I have already uploaded 2000 Sudokus. What a lot, if I think back. Yes. Okay, let's solve this baby. 2K. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. I've already counted. You can check if I'm right or wrong. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for 1 should be there. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. There's 707 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, we see there also as 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places for a 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, lucky 7, digit number 1. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. How about the numbers? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in this box, so the 8 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have an 8 in one of those 3 boxes in this column, and 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 2. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for a 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. And those are these 2 boxes is a pair. Alright. Alright. So in the third row we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4s in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for a 6 should be here. 1, 2 is missing, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. 2, 8, 9. 2, 9. Alright. 1, 1, 1. 2. 6, 6. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. And now in the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this last column, so there cannot be a 6 in this box. So the 6 should be here. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 6 should be there. Then no. 2, 4, yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box cannot be a 4. The 4 should be there. Then 2 and 8 are missing. 2 and 8 are missing in this column. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box, so the 8 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 2 boxes left in the third row. The numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So on the first row, the only place for 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And then 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes in this column. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 pairs. Alright. 1. Alright. 8, 7, 4, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So on the first row, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this first column, 6 in the second column. So on the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for an 8 should be there. I have here 2 boxes marked with the 4 and the 8. Now we have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 and the 9. Alright. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, right. 2, yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, only place for a 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle, a row for the number 1, 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between, the only place for a 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. Those 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and the 9 are missing. 1 and a 9. We see here 1 in this row, so this box can be a 1, so this should be a 1, this should be a 9. So 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 9. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 9 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. I cannot believe this. 13, not 30, but 13 minutes, because for a really 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more, but this I have solved in 13 minutes. I'm very pleased, and I like this Sudoku number 2K. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yeah, number 2K, a milestone. Thank you again. See you soon with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.